Hi YouTube, my name is Chevelle and this will be my first mukbang. I enjoy watching them. As you can see, I am pregnant, and with pregnancy came a lot of morning sickness, so mukbangs helped me a lot to regain my appetite, and it's just fun to watch and have someone be there while you're eating. It's like you're eating together but not real. It's kind of weird, but it's kind of fun at the same time. So I'm hungry, so let's get right into it. So I'm sure everyone has done this, but this is a Domino's mukbang, and I have two pizzas here. I have this first pizza, which is a pepperoni and Italian sausage. Oh, that smells good. And I have just a regular cheese. I don't know how much I'm gonna be able to fit inside my tummy because I have no room, but let's dig in. Let me not drop the pizza. I'm not gonna be talking too much because I'm hungry. So let's dig in. Okay, that's good. Very fresh. It's very fresh. For a Saturday night, this is fresh pizza. It's very fresh. So usually when I order a pizza, in the customization section of the Domino's app, I always put light sauce because I feel like too much sauce takes away from the cheese and the toppings, but it's perfect. And I really like Domino's crust because they put a little bit of seasoning on the crust. So good. And I feel like with other pizzas, I never really eat the crust because it's too filling, but so good. And this is just a regular hand toss pizza. It looks like a thin crust, which is weird, but it's a regular. So, I know this is random, and this is my first video. But I love food so much. I feel like mukbangs are like so awesome. Like, it's kind of weird to sit and watch someone eat. But it's a new thing. I used to think they were weird at first, but I actually used them a lot when I was going through my morning sickness, and it helped stimulate my appetite. Like, salivating watching someone enjoy their food kind of like helped me a lot. So it's a little weird, but it works. Mm. So I am 6.5 months pregnant with a little girl. I'm so excited. This will be my first kid. Because of my pregnancy and the changes with my appetite, I haven't had a lot of Domino's. I hadn't had Domino's in months, actually. And with my appetite during my pregnancy, it's always lighter food, so I'll gravitate for like a fruit salad because like the fresh fruits and it helps with my nausea at the time, or something really light and homemade like peanut butter and toast. Not toast, but peanut butter and bread. um I don't care for fast food at all, but for some reason I just had the taste for Domino's, so I had to order it. It's so good. But I've been eating healthy my entire pregnancy, and I felt like I needed a reward. Like today I had home cooked chicken and rice and beans and broccoli, but I was still hungry and I didn't want any more of that, so Domino's. I deserve it. My favorite throughout college was this pizza here that I'm eating now. So I would always get a pepperoni and Italian sausage, a plain cheese, and an order of barbecue wings. Oh, so good. I just wasn't in the mood for any chicken. My entire pregnancy has been mostly chicken or fish or eggs, healthy stuff. I don't feel like being healthy today. It's okay. So good. Good. And my pizza. Let me see if I can prop the camera up. There we go. This is life right now. One downside to being pregnant, you can't eat as much as you used to. Like, back in college, I can eat a whole pie and wings. And in about an hour or two, I'd be able to tackle the second pie. However, because of how high up the baby is, your stomach is like this big. So there's like nothing you can fit in your stomach. But you do have to eat often in small meals in order to keep full, because you do get hungry, and I was starving. So, and they were here so fast, it's like unbelievable. So So good. And the fuller I get, the harder it gets to breathe. Oh. Four slices left. And I'm starting to get full. This piece. Okay, I'm getting full. This is not much of a mukbang, but I really enjoy these videos and just wanted to add to it. I'm out of breath. Whew. So that's one downside of being pregnant. There's no tummy room. But I think I'm gonna put this on pause for maybe an hour and then get back to it. Excuse me. And then get back to it later. Because just 4 slices and I'm full. I used to be able to defeat this whole box. I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. Well, I know what happened. Duh. But yeah. So, this is where I'm going to end this video today. I will do more mukbangs, but more healthy mukbangs, and show you what I eat in a day, because I like to make my meals. I don't really order out anymore. I don't enjoy it anymore as I used to before I got pregnant. So I'll definitely make a video with my healthy everyday meals. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.